Hi my loves, in today's video I want to take you with me at Kamukunji. So I decided to go and get some household items at Kamukunji, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. The reason I'm doing this is because I needed some household items, and I also wanted to take you with me so that you may see what I get by the end of this video. So I'm just going straight to show you guys what I window shopped, or my window shopping process. Most of the times when I visit Kamukunji, I want to ensure that I visit 5 or 6 shops before making the final bargain. This really helps me to know the market price range of each and every item. And also I want to ensure that I have or take the best quality and the best items that I can get, and a variety. So I always want to ensure that I go and shop around 3 or 4 shops maximum, then make the final buy. So after I'm done with each shop, I ensure that I mark what I will get where by the end of visiting each and every shop. Like you can see here, I'm getting out some very good pans and also chopping boards, and I always want to ensure that I write or I mark each and every item and each and every shop. This specific video, I will link you the shop I got down below and the mall. I actually got all the items from one mall because they had really unique items, and also their price range was a bit cheaper compared to all the other shops and malls I visited. And I also want to ensure that I get the best quality out here. I know it is Kamukunji and people think like it is as cheap as it gets, and you can't get cheap things in Kamukunji, but trust me when I tell you that I have had items in my house, and I have a blender that has lasted me more than 5 years that I got from Kamukunji, and I have it until date. So by the end of the day, I was done with Kamukunji, and I got home, and I wanted to shoot these and to show you what I got before packing or unpacking and cleaning each and everything. So the first items that I got are these storage boxes. These storage boxes, they are very multifunctional. I got each piece for $4.50, and I got 3 pieces. They were 400 sizes, and the 450 sizes, I got the 450 sizes. I also got this flower vase for 500 shillings. I really loved it, and I could not even leave it. I didn't have like a budget for a flower vase, but I had to carry it with me. Then I got these amazing squarish or hexagonal plates. They are ceramic. I got them 6 pieces for 800, and that was such a good bargain for me. I also got that kettle, that heating kettle. I got it for 1700. I loved the silverish and blackish tone to it, and I really love the cordless kettles. For me, they stay longer than the other ones. So best buys I got is these cups. I mean, these cups I got 6 pieces for 700. Yes, 6 pieces for 700. I really loved. That's around 110 bob. Yes, no, actually, yes, 6 pieces for 700. Yes, that's around 110, 120 for each cup. I really loved the clear aspect of it. And yes, that's about it, and thank you so much for being here. And until next time, bye. See you.